Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on Dreame bot L10s Pro. To do this, first we'll need to take our smartphone or iPhone and download the app called Dreame Home. When it's downloaded, open the app and now connect your robot to the base station and base station to the power source. Then we can click on plus add, click on next and allow all of the permissions. Now we need to find our robot in L10s series, and there's a Dreame bot L10s Pro Gen 2. We want to click on that. Now connect ourselves with a Wi-Fi network, and in this case I'm gonna change to 2.4G network since 5G might not be available for that robot. Now enter the password right here for that network. Click on next. Place a robot in the base station or press and hold the power button to turn it on. When you hear a prompt tone for powering on, the button indicators light up. I think mine already powered on, but in this case I'm just gonna hold it to power it off.
Please remove the robot from the base station before turning it off.
Okay.
Start cleaning. Paused.
Okay, just powered off, so we can move it onto the base station and then click on that button to power it on. Now the robot has been turned on and we can move to the next. Press and hold spot clean button and dock button at the same time for 3 seconds to reset Wi-Fi connection on the robot, and we'll need to press on those two buttons to do that.
Waiting for the network configuration.
If you hear this voice prompt, we can click on this button and proceed to the next step. Here's our robot, we can click on next, connect with that pop-up.
Robot and phone connected. Please return to app to wait for the result. Network connected successfully.
Click on finished and our robot is connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.